Dodge Jeep donut maker. Preston's in the house.
Hello everyone, it's really good to be here. I'm Preston, Dodge Jeep donut maker. I want to say thank you to Perkins Motor for bringing us out today. That's going to be a local power broker dealer here in the area. If you want to follow me, it's Chief Donut Maker Official on Instagram. Chief Donut Maker Official. Thank you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, who wants to win some tickets to this weekend's 100th running of the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb? These tickets, ladies and gentlemen, are sponsored by Perkins, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Mr. David Perkins. Let's give it up for Mr. David Perkins here, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. In order to award these winners, is ask some pretty simple trivia questions. Whoever's hand goes up first, Preston's gonna pick you out and see if you answer the question correctly. If you answer the question correctly, guess what? You get a pair of tickets to this weekend's races. First question, I got this written down because I will forget. Alright, easy one, easy one. What year, make, and model was the first Hellcat released by Dodge?
2019.
That is incorrect, sir. 2015, is that right, Preston?
That is correct.
Yeah, give it up! Alright! Dodge Challenger, 707 horsepower, and took the world by storm and has a bang. Hey, thank you so much, man. Enjoy it. What mode of transportation did the Dodge brothers make prior to making automobiles? That guy in the back. Let's hear it. Bicycles, he says, and he is absolutely correct. Congratulations, sir. Come on up and get your tickets. All right. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Nice job. All right. Third question is, if you look over there, there's a Elk Crate engine. It's orange and beautiful. It's got a whopping amount of horsepower. How much horsepower does that Elk Crate engine have? Oh, Preston, it's this guy over here. Gordon Kate. What do you say?
707, that's incorrect. That is incorrect.
Hellcat Crate engine. How much horsepower does a Hellcat Crate engine have? She was first. 800, she says. Wrong. This gentleman said 717. He did have his hand up early. We're going to give it to him. 717 horsepower. The Hell Crate engine has. Guys, check that bad boy out. We're running this Perkins Chrysler Dodge Ram. $15,000. You can shut that in whatever vehicle you have sitting in your driveway. Last question for a pair of tickets. Who is the only Dodge power broker dealer in Colorado Springs? Perkins? Perkins is absolutely correct, ladies and gentlemen. Perkins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram is the only Dodge power broker for all your Mopar performance parts and Mopar OEM parts. Visit Perkins in Colorado Springs. Ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate your time and attention. Have a good night and happy racing.